Now, settlement depends on the availability of roads, railways, hospitals, rest houses, and so on. Settlements grow over a period of time. Many factors determine the location and the types of settlement, amongst which the first is settlements grow in places where water is available in plenty, both for agriculture as well as domestic purposes. Settlements therefore also grow on the confluence of rivers or the banks of the rivers. Now the settlements grow in areas that are flat and where the land is cultivable. Settlements do not grow on steep hillsides like this, as well as the marshy land like the other one, because the water is mixed with soil, it is swampy, and therefore no cultivation can be done, and hence no settlement is also found in these areas. Now settlements can also thrive on plateaus because of the flat surface of the plateau and the availability of land for cultivation. A very good example is the Deccan Plateau in India, which is very populated, and the most important crop which is grown there is cotton because of the lava soil. It is known as the cotton black soil, which is very fertile and hence attracts people to live in that area. Then people settle in places where the climate is suitable or pleasant to live in. Extremely hot climate like the deserts, it is unsuitable for settlement because of the harsh climatic condition. Opposite to this, the mountain summits or very high altitude mountains, there also people find it very difficult to settle because of the harsh climatic condition. So climate plays an important role as far as the settlements are concerned. Now in front of the mine, wherever mining is going on, a temporary settlement or sometimes permanent settlements also is found in the area. Suppose mining is done for limestone and marble. For marble, then there is permanent settlement, or mining is done for some part of the year, then the temporary settlement will be found there. So mines and industries in the area are potential sources of employment and encourage growth of settlement. Like this, here also a source of settlement or source of income for the people can be lumbering, because people are settled here and they depend on the wood from the forest, and therefore a small township is made over here. Now the industries which are located close to the raw material producing areas, like this is a textile industry, and the cotton crop which is grown in the adjoining areas, there you will find settlement both for agriculture as well as for the textile industries. Likewise, in the mineral based industries, there also people settle around because the raw materials are found in close proximity, and therefore laborers are required for both the kinds of job, for mining also as well as to work in the industry also. Now the other sources of or the ways, factors which affect or attract settlement people to settle at in some areas are the good network of roadways, good network of railways, airports. Then there should be a scope of tertiary services, like the banks are there, then the other offices, government as well as private offices are there, workplace. There people are attracted, settlements will be found there. The other tertiary services like the post office and the police station, a good mall or a market area, hospitals, provision of good schools like one of yours. Many people settle because of these factors also. Now in our own school, we find a number of children who come to study in Jaipuria from Barabanki and other close by districts. Some of them stay as paying guests and attend school. So these are the factors which affect a place for settlement